Hey everyone, Wesley here, and happy Pi Day to all of you. Now, today is World Pi Day, which is held each and every year on March 14th to honor the mathematical constant pi, as in the letter P and the letter I. Okay? It combining math, science, and fun activities worldwide on this day. Now, Pi Day was first celebrated in 1988 by physicist Larry Shaw at the San Francisco Exploratorium, where staff and visitors marched in a circular parade and enjoyed fruit pies, linking the homophone PI, as in pie, with the dessert. Now, the date, March 14th, which is 314, corresponds to the first three digits of pi, which is 3.14. Now, Pi Day also coincides with Albert Einstein's birthday, adding a tribute to science and mathematics. In 2019, the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, also known as the UNESCO, designated March 14th as the International Day of Mathematics, giving Pi Day global recognition. So, what do you do on Pi Day, I ask? Well, baking and making pizzas and pies and eating them, decorated with the Greek letter pi, symbolizing the connection to circles. And if you're doing math in school, you're looking for the circumference of the circle, it's always 3.14 you have to use. You recite digits of pi with enthusiasm, attempting to memorize as many digits as possible. Now, mind you that Pi Day falls on a weekend this year, so schools and universities already done this yesterday in advance, but if it fell on a weekday, schools and universities will have discussions, quizzes, and problem-solving challenges on Pi Day. There's also fun runs or walks of 3.14 miles or kilometers to playfully represent the number pi. And there are public events and museum exhibits such as circular parades or interactive demonstrations, often hosted by science museums like the San Francisco Exploratorium, for example. While Pi Day originated in the United States, it is now celebrated internationally. Educators, students, scientists, and math enthusiasts use the day to promote STEM education, encourage curiosity, and make mathematics more approachable. Now, some communities also celebrate related dates, such as Pi Approximation Day, which is held on July 22nd, hence 22/7, or Tau Day, that's T-A-U, Tau Day, on June 28th, which is 6.28, which highlights other approximations of pi. Now, Pi Day serves as a bridge between abstract mathematics and everyday life. By combining playful activities like pie eating with educational challenges, it demystifies complex concepts and inspires interest in mathematics, science, and technology. It has become a widely recognized cultural event celebrated by millions of people around the world. Now, today is not only Pi Day, mind you. Today is also the International Day of Action for Rivers. Now, it's observed annually on March 14th to raise awareness and mobilize action to protect rivers and the communities that depend on them. As you know, we have God knows how many rivers are on planet Earth, but the International Day for Action for Rivers highlights the critical role that rivers play in sustaining life, biodiversity, and human communities. You know, rivers provide fresh water, support ecosystems, regulate climate, and maintain cultural and spiritual traditions. The day emphasizes the threats rivers face today, including pollution, over-extraction, dam construction, and yes, even climate change, which can disrupt ecosystems and harm vulnerable communities. The theme for recent observances, such as Protect Rivers, Protect People, underscores the connection between healthy rivers and human well-being. Now, The day was first proposed at the International Assembly in Curitiba, Brazil. Hopefully I'm saying this right. In March 1997, and has been observed globally since 1998. It is also known as the International Day for Actions Against Dams and for Rivers, Water, and Life. The observance encourages people to recognize their responsibilities towards rivers and take concrete actions to protect them. Organizations like Green Voice in Bangladesh have promoted river awareness, emphasizing that rivers are the lifeblood of communities, which is true. Now, communities, environmental groups, and individuals worldwide participate through events such as river cleanups, awareness campaigns, advocacy for sustainable water management, and educational programs. Participants are encouraged to use creative materials, logos, or art to promote river protection. The day also serves as a platform to advocate for equitable access to clean water and to highlight the importance of free-flowing rivers for biodiversity and climate resilience. Observing this day fosters solidarity among river-dependent communities and strengthens global efforts to safeguard freshwater resources. It encourages thinking beyond local watersheds, considering the entire river ecosystem, and addressing upstream and downstream impacts. By participating, individuals and organizations contribute to protect rivers, supporting sustainable development, and ensuring a just and reliable future for both people and the planet. For more information or to find events near you, visit the International Rivers website and join global efforts to protect rivers and water resources. Anyways, that's it for now. I hope you all enjoy Pi Day today, and also International Day of Action for Rivers. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.